In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Stripe.com step by step in 2025. So whether you're a small business owner or just getting started with online payments, this guide will help you become familiar with Stripe's intuitive interface and efficient billing system. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Stripe homepage in test mode. This is an essential first step, especially if you're new to Stripe or just want to practice creating invoices without the fear of sending them out unintentionally. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar, which is packed with useful options. Click on Billing. This section is your gateway to managing billing activities comprehensively. Here, you can navigate to where all your invoices reside by selecting Invoices. Clicking on this will lead you to the Invoices dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive overview of any past activities and options to create a new invoice. Let's create a test invoice now. By clicking on Create Test Invoice, you'll be directed to a form where you can start inputting the necessary details for your new invoice. The first thing you'll need is the customer information. Click on Customer, and if you've already set this up, you can select an existing customer or go ahead and create a new one. Type in their name to make it personalized and identifiable at a glance. Once you're done, move on to email. Here, you'll enter the customer's email address, which ensures they get notified once the invoice is ready. The next field to watch for is language. Making sure that the language is suitable for your customer could enhance their experience and clarity of communication. After setting the language, click on Save to ensure these details are locked in. Moving forward, click on Currency to choose the appropriate one for this invoice. This step is crucial if you're dealing internationally and want to avoid any conversion mishaps. Once you've selected, you can proceed to the Items field, where you'll type in the products or services you're billing for. Make sure these entries are accurate and complete by selecting Add before putting in the corresponding price. Up next, you need to set the payment expectations. Decide when you'd like this invoice to be due. If due tomorrow seems too soon, you have the flexibility to opt for a custom schedule by clicking on Custom and setting your own timeline. Finally, to ensure that your customer knows about the invoice, click on Email Invoice to Customer. Make sure everything looks correct, as this prompts Stripe to send it out. Review all your inputs, and when you're ready, proceed to Confirm Invoice. Congratulations, you've successfully created and processed an invoice on Stripe. Always double check everything before the final confirmation, as this minimizes errors and enhances your customer satisfaction. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an invoice on Stripe in 2025 effortlessly.